Hey friends, Cherie here. Welcome back to the channel, Gardening at Home with Cherie. We're heading to the garden to harvest some kohlrabi that I am growing in Greenstalks. And we have some seedlings ready to replace when I harvest. This is some cauliflower. So let's go get some food and transplant more food. So we're going to be inspecting these 3 Greenstalks to see which pockets have kohlrabi ready to harvest. I've already harvested one so far, but I'm going to get a few more so we can have this with our dinner tonight. And like I said, I have some cauliflower transplants ready to put into the pocket. Look at this here. I accidentally put 2. I put 2 in there. But yeah, I definitely see a few big enough to harvest. So let's get those out and get our new transplants in. And then, like I said, I have some empty pockets where I've already harvested things from. I'm gonna put some of the cauliflower in any empty pockets. So we spin this. So spinning this around, I can see there's several already in this one that we're gonna get out. I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna get 3 from here. I'm gonna get 3 from here. I'm gonna get this one, or maybe just those 2. I'll spin it around and see. I think I'm gonna just get those 2. All right, so I got my basket of kohlrabi, and now I'm gonna get these cauliflowers transplanted into the empty pockets. All right, so I have my new cauliflowers in place, and what I'll do, I have a maintenance session that I need to complete. I'm gonna come through here. I'm gonna harvest some of these brassica leaves. I have some plants on the bottom row that just got devoured by a bunny. So I'm gonna get those spots cleaned out and get some new, I have more transplants ready to put in there just to keep my food growing. And then I kind of put these a little bit too close, so that's a note too when I empty this out in fall. So that's a note too, when I empty this out in fall, I'm gonna spread these out a little bit more. So yeah, we'll just keep the harvest going. But yeah, let's get inside and get this kohlrabi cleaned up, and then we're gonna use it in a nice meal for dinner tonight.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. this moment.